Chromatography. Chromatography is a laboratory technique used to separate, identify, and purify components of a mixture based on their differential distribution between two phases. Stationary phase, fixed in place. Mobile phase, moves through or over the stationary phase. Components of a mixture move at different rates depending on their affinity for the stationary phase, their solubility in the mobile phase, molecular size, charge, polarity, or specific binding interactions. The word chromatography comes from Greek. Chroma equals color. Graphein equals to write. Originally, it referred to separation of plant pigments. History of chromatography. Discovery, 1900 to 1906. Chromatography was invented by the Russian botanist Mikhail Tsvet in 1903. He separated plant pigments, chlorophyll, carotenoids. Used a glass column packed with calcium carbonate. Petroleum ether was used as mobile phase. Colored bands appeared, hence the name chromatography. He presented his findings in 1906, but his work was ignored for decades. Revival and development, 1930s to 1940s. In the 1930s, chromatography gained attention again. Archer John Porter Martin. Richard Laurence Millington Synge. They developed partition chromatography and later paper chromatography. They were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1952 for their contributions. Modern chromatography, 1950s, present. Major advancements. Gas chromatography, GC. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. Thin layer chromatography, TLC. Affinity chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography. Gel filtration/size exclusion chromatography. Today, chromatography is fundamental in biochemistry, pharmaceutical industry, environmental analysis, forensics, proteomics and metabolomics. Basic principle of chromatography. Separation occurs because different molecules have different affinities for stationary and mobile phases. Mathematically, K equals concentration of the solute, analyte, in mobile phase / concentration of the solute, analyte, in stationary phase. This is called the distribution coefficient, K. Higher K, slower movement. Lower K, faster movement. Criteria / basis for classification of chromatography. Chromatography is classified based on physical state of mobile phase, nature of stationary phase, mechanism of separation, geometry of stationary phase, polarity, mode of operation. Let's discuss each. Types of chromatography. Based on physical state of mobile phase. A liquid chromatography, LC. Mobile phase, liquid. Stationary phase, solid or liquid on solid support. Examples. HPLC. Paper chromatography. TLC. B gas chromatography, GC. Mobile phase, gas, carrier gas like helium. Stationary phase, liquid coated on solid support. Used for volatile compounds. Based on mechanism of separation. This is the most important classification. Adsorption chromatography. Stationary phase, solid. Separation based on surface adsorption. Example. Column chromatography. TLC. Principle, polar compounds adsorb more strongly. Partition chromatography. Stationary phase, liquid. Based on differential solubility. Example. Paper chromatography. Developed by Martin and Synge. Ion exchange chromatography. Separation based on charge. Stationary phase contains charged groups. Used for proteins, amino acids. Types. Cation exchange and anion exchange. Size exclusion chromatography, gel filtration. Based on molecular size. No adsorption involved. Larger molecules elute first. Used for proteins, polymers. Affinity chromatography. Based on specific biological interactions. Antigen, antibody. Enzyme, substrate. Ligand, receptor. Highly specific and selective. Based on geometry of stationary phase. A column chromatography. Stationary phase packed in column. Includes HPLC. GC. Ion exchange. B planar chromatography. Stationary phase spread on flat surface. Includes paper chromatography. TLC. Based on polarity. A normal phase chromatography. Stationary phase, polar. Mobile phase, nonpolar. Polar compounds move slower. B reverse phase chromatography, RPC. Stationary phase, nonpolar, C18. Mobile phase, polar. Most widely used in HPLC. Based on mode of development. A. Elution chromatography. Mobile phase continuously flows. Most common. B. Frontal chromatography. Sample continuously fed. Used in industrial processes. C. Displacement chromatography. Displacer compound used. High resolution purification. Applications of chromatography. Drug purity testing. Protein purification. DNA/RNA separation. Food analysis. Toxicology. Environmental pollutant detection. Conceptual understanding. Chromatography works because molecules compete between two phases. The one that likes the stationary phase more moves slower. The one that prefers the mobile phase moves faster. Thus, separation occurs.